Would you like to manifest $4.7 million in 10 days? You can, because I'm introducing a person, my client, who manages that. Hi, Ilya.
Hi,
Nice to
Anna.
see you.
Nice
And,
to see you too.
and it's true. We together manifested $4.7 million in 10 days. And I
Yes.
want Ilya to tell you the story, how it happened, what we've done, everything about it. So you know that this stuff is possible. It happens. It's not something we just invented. I'm showing you the very person who made it happen, who just did what I was teaching, and she landed it. And I'm so proud of her. I'm so proud of her. This is so brilliant.
Yeah,
Um,
thanks.
let's get on with it. So tell me a little bit about yourself, Ilya. How did you find me? How did you?
Sure. So I was in a big life transition, moving across the country to a new location. I had been moved by a company that brought me on to work with them, and within a year, that company went out of business, closed its doors, and all of a sudden I was left. What
Hmm.
what do I do? How do I do this? And you kept crossing my feed. I mean, and it was every possible social media platform. I'm like, who is this person and why do they keep crossing my feed? What is going on here? And I
That's
do. I'm a
funny.
big believer in signs
Yeah,
and,
yeah, yeah.
things happen in your life to
Fate.
guide your path. And if you listen and pay attention, those
Yeah.
things tremendously with the manifesting. So I'm like, okay, I've got to reach out to this woman and see what's going on. And you had offered, I think, something like the first 10 people that contacted you, you would meet with, or something to that effect. It was actually a free session, and
Yeah, it
met
was
with you
your
in that free session. I was moved immediately, and I said, we've got to go. But what was funny, when I very first reached out, something came up that I couldn't make that free session that we had scheduled. And you were not happy with me
Yeah, that's
because
true. That's true.
you were not happy with
You,
me, and I
yeah, I
apologized
remember now.
profusely. Yep,
You
and
you
I
canceled like 20 minutes or 15 minutes before the
yeah.
session. I was like, what the hell?
Yeah, what is this? And then you wouldn't talk to me again for like a year. And I'm like, I have to get her. I have to. This is not, I'm not doing this. And so we finally connected. We had that first session. And then from there, it was the wheels were off the train. It was time to go. And, just worked with you to work on, a lot of personal things, personal blockages with relationships, family dynamics, things like that, that were rolling over into my professional world and my professional ability to move. Those blocks follow you. It's not just, if you've got a block, it is not just in a relationship, it is in every area of your life,
Yeah.
and it will manifest there and continue to repeat itself if you don't work on that, and if you don't do what Yana says. I'm telling you, do what
Yeah,
Yana says. So
it
that's
worked.
how we met. That's how we started working. And, I was in a position then when that company went out of business. I'm like, I'm going to start my own company. I'm going to start my own business, a consulting firm. I used to be an attorney. I had stepped away from
Mhm.
practicing law, but wanted to start this fractional executive legal compliance and human resources consulting business. And so you helped me, and within 10 days, we manifested $4.7 million in revenue opportunities that just launched me right into the work that I do.
And it was funny. I remember word by word how it happened. Do you remember that we were in session and you said, I ask universe for abundance and lots of money. And then next day I got $3,000 from my bank. I know it's nothing, but, and I said, what did you say?
Yeah, you did, yes. Oh my gosh, I remember that. It's like, oh, it's like no, no.
So
This is
$3,000. So there are people who have nothing to eat, but we think that $3,000 is not enough, do we?
right, right.
And
And it's, yeah, and that principle of gratitude, acknowledging, also recognizing, because what we don't realize is we are manifesting constantly. Somebody opening the door for you, somebody handing you a free piece of chocolate or a free dessert or a free coffee, or we are always manifesting. And if we're aware of it and we're recognizing and then roll that into the gratitude, it keeps coming.
yeah,
It keeps
so
coming.
I fixed that on 1 week. I was like, no, 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 no. There's no, universe doesn't recognize size. You want huge money, but you're not grateful for 3,000. You're belittle it. It's not going to work for you. You said, oh yeah, I'm doing that. Oh yeah, absolutely. I agree. I feel it. And next week, you said, Yana, I just manifested so many offers. I'm like, how much? How much? And you keep going. Tell me how much you manifested.
Well,
You
in all,
offered.
it was 2.3, the first 4 days or so. And then within 10 days, it was up to that $4.7 million in revenue opportunities that were
And
manifested.
one or two offers came on the second session while
While
we
we
were
were
on the
in
phone. It's like,
session.
Jana,
Yes.
do you know what happened? Do you know what email I just got? It's like, keep going, girl.
Yeah.
Yeah. So
Exactly.
4.7 in 10 days, only because I said $3,000. We're not happy with that. That's a first sign that you're actually doing what you're supposed to be doing. Universe is trying to show you that it's working and that you're doing well, but you mocked it. So we fixed that. You saw it instantly when I mentioned it. You're very
Yeah.
aware. Um, and look what happened, 4.7 in 10 days. It's
Yeah.
just brilliant, and anyone can do this. There's nothing stopping anyone from doing this. So you had just started business. This was your first go at getting clients, and look what happened. This is not unusual for people who do what they need to do and who learn how to manifest, So I'm so happy for you. I'm still buzzing, although it was a year ago.
Yeah, for sure.
So what do you think was the main thing you took away from that coaching? What do you think it taught you? Except for don't frown upon $3,000.
Right. And do what Yana says.
Yeah.
Those are the big ones. I think it's really being, setting aside ego, really listening to what the blocks are, doing the work, and the gratitude piece. That was just really recognizing and then being, um, excuse
I'm
me,
already okay. I already have a great life. This is just an
yeah,
addition. I'm not desperate, which is
right,
perfect energy to manifest anything you want.
exactly,
Yeah, so that's awesome. And we decided we are gonna improve and scale your business into serial amounts, and we may actually end up working together at some point as well. So we keep going. Guys, relationships with people who belong to you are awesome. They're long term. Remember that every successful billionaire, trillionaire, multimillionaire keeps going until they get what they want. It's a long term. You're never done. It's forever because there's always something to improve. And when two people who like each other and have results find each other, it's just pure blessing. What can I say? So
absolutely.
I will see you later. Thank you, Ilya, for popping in. People, there's links how to get hold of me, get into the manifesting HQ. That's your business. Manifesting HQ, there's 3 hour session, which Ilya knows very well, also help to get the results and lots of other things you need to be aware of in the video description. And I'll see you next week. And again, thank you, Ilya. We'll talk soon. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.